Hey everybody, and how's it going? Welcome to Tutorials Hub, and in this video we are going to be talking about how to fix RCA TV red light blinking. Now we are going to be talking step by step on why this issue is specifically occurring, and then we are going to be heading over to our solutions to the issue. So make sure to stick till the end of this video, as it is going to be completely resolving your issue. So let's just dive into the process. So first of all, um, the RCA TV red light blinking twice or 5 times mainly due to open lamp door. So manufactured TV lamp and defective power supply board. Any of the factors can cause your TV's red light to flash, but which is the main culprit? You need to find out. So we are going to be looking over that. What is the main issue in here? So this guide is specifically for major factors responsible for above troubles and their quick solutions. Also, you will learn how you can replace your RCA TV's defective lamp. So if you are going to be simply heading over to some solutions now. Now the first one is open your lamp door. Now opening the lamp door prevents your RCA TV from turning on, and thus your RCA TV red light blinks 5 times. The flashing red light on RCA TV means that lamp door has come loose. Solutions for that are on your RCA TV side. Locate the lamp door and then close it. Then shut off your RCA TV and turn off your TV again. Now, the defective lamp, a dead lamp is another major reason why your RCA Smart TV's light is blinking, the red light specifically, 5 times. If suddenly your TV's lamp goes out, your TV will make a popping noise and the TV screen will become black. Your TV will not display any picture and will blink the red light. However, your RCA TV lamp becomes defective for following reasons: burnout, broken or damaged lamp, poor cooling, dirt or dust buildup within the lamp, cheap manufacturer lamp. So now the solution for this is simply replace the broken, burnt out, damaged or cheaply manufactured lamp. Ensure proper cooling in your TV, so make sure that it is not in a heated environment. Maybe you're just placed it somewhere directly in front of sunlight or stuff like that. Clean the lamp dirt and dust buildup. So make sure to regularly service your TV, as it's going to be long lasting its life and helps you just fix it. So now if you want to replace your TV lamp, that is another story as well. If you want to learn about that, make sure to comment down below as well. So these were some issues that you can use to fix your TV. But yeah, so I hope that you found this video informative and helpful. If you did so, make sure to comment down below and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.